Ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the sleek and intuitive Vivid Money app? Who's the visionary shaping the future of personal finance? Today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic world of Vivid Money. We'll unravel the mysteries surrounding the key players who've brought this innovative financial platform to life. The genesis of Vivid Money. Vivid Money, the brainchild of a passionate team, emerged from a desire to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. The company's mission is to empower individuals to take control of their money, making financial decisions easier and more enjoyable. Key players shaping the future of finance. While the specific names of the individuals leading Vivid Money might not be as widely known as tech giants, their impact is undeniable. Let's shed some light on the key roles and the collective effort that drives this financial powerhouse. The visionary leadership, a team of experienced entrepreneurs and financial experts spearheads Vivid Money. Their combined expertise has been instrumental in shaping the company's strategy and guiding its growth. The Tech Titans, behind the scenes, a talented team of software engineers and designers works tirelessly to create a seamless and intuitive user experience. They're the architects of the sleek interface and the powerful features that make Vivid Money stand out. The Financial Wizards, a team of financial analysts and experts, ensures that Vivid Money's offerings are compliant with regulations and provide real value to its users. They're the guardians of financial security and transparency. The Customer Champions, a dedicated customer support team, is always ready to assist users with any questions or concerns. They're the friendly faces behind the app, ensuring a positive user experience. The future of Vivid Money. Vivid Money is not just a financial app, it's a movement. The company is constantly innovating and expanding its services to cater to the evolving needs of its users. As we look ahead, we can expect to see even more exciting developments from Vivid Money. While the specific names of the individuals leading Vivid Money might not be widely known, their collective vision and hard work have made a significant impact on the financial landscape. By empowering individuals to take control of their finances, Vivid Money is shaping a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.